Nyime ene jawache lo sirkal Moses Mwaura oseyo Bishobe makanisa makopere e wechegi manyogi seyo godo piny owacho odiochieng' manyoro. Mwaura wacho ni piny owacho osendiko jopuonj, osekedo gi mibadhi kama romo siling bilion 28 oseyudore kokalo e kedo gi mibadhi. Bende omedo ni sirkal osetimo duto manyalore mar bero uchumi ma pacho ka.
The government is on track in the implementation of the better plan, and we shall keep our promises to the people of Kenya. Our midterm achievements are a clear indication that our eyes are still on the ball. The government remains open to constructive dialogue with the KCCB and other civil society organizations to address national challenges collectively. We urge citizens and civil society players to fault and critique the government based on facts and in good faith, not on propaganda, innuendos, and imagination sometimes that are not true, based on maybe misinformation and misinformation. We are both partakers of the vision and space in this great nation because we are all building the nation together. Project Kenya must succeed. We may have different viewpoints, but we all belong to this country. The government thus remains dedicated and committed to safeguarding the welfare of all Kenyans, building a unified nation grounded in accountability, equality, justice, and peace in the spirit of nationhood and patriotism. Kenya itainuka, Kenya itasimama, Kenya itanawiri kwa umoja na uzalendo. Mimi ni Mkenya mzalendo. Je, wewe?